Hello, I'm Cyril, and this is the fourth WebTech experiment. In this, we are supposed to create a website using CSS. So, this is the mock-up of the page you are supposed to create. The requirements are we have to create a fixed background image, and then we should have a navigation bar, and it should be made fixed and should be made using list of links. We should remove the bulletins of the link and remove the default text decoration. So this is the page, this is the navigation bar. To create it, the code I've put it under the first division, under this division, and named it as division 1. I've used unordered list and list tag to create the navigations, and here I've used the position of the navigation as fixed to make it fixed, and text decoration as none to remove the bullets. So you can see the navigation is fixed. When we scroll, it comes down with the page. Next requirement is to add a banner, and then we have to create three divisions, and then we should set a gradient over the three divisions. So these are the three divisions, and here, as you can see, I've put the linear gradient effect. To do so, the code is linear gradient to left and the colors. So this will specify that the colors will move from right to left according to the colors that have been mentioned. As required in the mockup, we have to add progress bar and some text. So I have done so in my page as well. Moving on. After the banner, we have to add two sections. So in the first section, I have to divide it in 3 columns, and each column should take equal amount of space, and I have to make it rounded corner image with hover effect. To make so the first section is this one. Here I have divided into 3 columns and given it the same width and height to all the 3 to make it equally spaced. Now to give the rounded effect, I have set the border radius as 50%. Here the border radius has been set to 50%, so it will become a rounded image. And then I have used the hover over this image, so whenever I hover, the opacity of it becomes to 1 and the border becomes to 0, so it moves up whenever I hover over any of these 3 images. In the next section we are supposed to display it in a table format, and the table should have 2 columns. The first should display the name and the other should have the corresponding image. To do so, I have used table tag, and I have made it under the third division. Here I have used table, and inside the table row I have put the item name, and inside table heading I have put the item image. So this is the third session, the last session, and here this is the item name and this is the item image. The question requires to set different color for odd and even row, and I have done so. And to do so, I have used the nth child tag pseudo class, nChild pseudo class, and I have set the nth child pseudo class as even, so the evens will change the background color as this one. So here the even number of rows will change their color. Now I have used hover, and whenever I hover over this, their opacity becomes to 1 and it becomes visible to us. This is all that is required by us in the fourth experiment. That's it. Thank you.